Alright, I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull Up King. Back on the 97 Chevy C2500. Throwing the rear brake shoes on it. Show you how we're gonna get that going.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting on that lean, and that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, we got it off. The drum. Once you get that drum off, you just gotta tap it. Tap it with the hammer. It may just come right off. This is our setup. As you can see, these pads, these shoes are low. That's what they're supposed to look like. Good thick pad. Alright. And that's my part number. Now these are the 11-inch. They got a 13-inch. That's way bigger than these. And it's over 75,000 pounds. Or 7,500 pounds. So gotta be sure of which ones you're getting and the hardware goes with it. Alright, so I like to take a picture, video, whatever, just to get this set up and make sure I know how it goes back on. Same way we take it off, going back on. First thing I started with is these springs here on both sides. Use some needle nose pliers. That's all I did. Pushed in, twist and turn, and you'll see how you get it through there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get all these springs off, and then all of this should drop right off. Over there. Got all our hardware off. Those old shoes and the new ones. It's our hardware part number, because they got two different ones you can choose from. And this is it for the 11-inch brake shoe. Alright, go ahead and spray that down, clean it up. Get that brake dust off. You gotta put it on these contact points so it doesn't squeak when the brakes are being applied. Alright, see this here? Goes up in there like that, and it got a little clip that holds it. You want to pry that off of there, and then that'll come out. We're going to put that one on a new one on our new clip. Get it on there like that, and just tap it on. It'll lock in. See, it's got like a groove in it. I don't know if you can see. Alright, just like that. Went ahead and installed the brake, emergency brake. It's pretty tough to do. You gotta pretty much hold this end and pull the other end, spring it back. Alright, we're gonna install this here. Gotta make sure we get the setup right. Put that in. Right, that's that. And now we're gonna get this set up and put that together, this here, so we can hold it on, set that side up. Got that side set up, and we're gonna start working on, put that spring in down at the bottom, start attaching those and start working on the next side. This one here goes right in here, and that goes here, hooks onto there. Went ahead and installed this one here. This is a trick that I do to stretch those springs. I use an old spring, use one of the old ones and just pull it. That's how I got that one on there. Stretched it like that, got it off. It's pretty easy. So the hardware that they gave me for that right there. So let me point this out real quick. So I took out the green springs because the green ones don't go in that position up under that lever. It made the brake adjuster too high and it wouldn't touch. It has to be touching. So what I did was took out the yellow springs. They come only two. I got it mixed up. So basically you take those out and put the yellow springs up under that brake adjuster and swap out the green ones and you're good to go. All right, now that's the setup. See how we got that one in the front, got a different one in the rear, and we good. That adjuster is touching. Yes, sir.